Hey there guys, we're back. Victoria Park, and which is in Truro, Nova Scotia, Canada. And today we're going to hike the Stick 'em Up Trail. It's just a little trail that follows alongside the ring road. Nice wide open level trail. No roots sticking up like on the path here, so it's more accessible for people that want to take it easy. But you want to see some pretty cool nature, come throughout these little trails here and you'll see all kinds. Here's some pearly everlastings. You might not know what it looks like while it's not bloomed, but that's what this is here. Good old clump of it. More over here. It is everywhere actually. All right. That's where it starts to get pretty cool. And it's a very short trail. And it leads right to the Stairway to Heaven, which is another incredible trail. And it just got a makeover by the awesome staff here in the park. They did a real great job. You can see where the bikers can come through and hit a jump from either direction really, but I guess it'd be really hard to do it from down slope. A lot of people like the challenges of these trails when it comes to mountain biking here. It's cool to see. For me though, I just hike, and there's, just sorry to say, there's bikes always destroy the trails real bad. In muddy conditions, a lot of people don't stay off the trail with their bikes, which are really destructive when things are wet. But what can you do? Maybe it keeps other hikers off the trail because they know that. They're like, the bikers probably ripped it up. It's just raining out. It keeps people off the trail. It's all the better for me. All right, we come to the end of this little loop right here, but we're gonna start on another one pretty much immediately. Here's a nice little swamp. I'm always cautious around here, cautious in a good sense, because there might be a turtle in this area right here, just down here in the swamp. So I always keep my eye out. There's more swamp over here. If you want to walk down through that thick brush right up front, it opens up. But yeah, nice swamp in there. Lots of birds. Some little mushrooms on the trail. All kinds of mushrooms out here. It's a forager's paradise. Not that all of them are edible, but a lot of them are out here. If you know what you're looking for. Nova Scotia is like a lot of places in Nova Scotia, like mainland here. A lot of these forests are like almost on the verge of being like the North American variant of a rainforest. You still get snow though, but who knows, maybe they'll change in the future. Hope not. I love the winters. They're very short here. They're quite usually quite pleasant. I don't think the people have lived here their whole life in Nova Scotia really appreciate how well they have it when in the winter. Smells amazing out here today. The forest is so wet, produces so much fragrance from everything. Nice big swamp down here. Very beautiful place. Oh, there's actually a grouse right in front of me. You see that? Oh, I hope you guys seen that. I didn't even know. You see, yeah, all the birds are out. I was saying on an earlier video today, on an earlier trail I was taking, all the birds come out when you do not have your telephoto lens and a DSLR with you. But I hope you guys seen that on the video. That would be great. I love seeing those guys. They're very elusive and reclusive. That rhymes. Yeah, I didn't even see the grouse there. I was just gonna step further into the swamp. I checked that area out down there. Used to be a beaver that lived here at right at the start of the Stairway to Heaven trail. The end or the start, depending on which direction you're coming from. From this direction, it's the start of the trail. And it starts with a pond. And at one point it did have a beaver in it. At some point again, I'm sure it will. But it was being quite the nuisance, I suppose, because it was draining or blocking up the pond there, which was washing out the trail. And that pond is not just you know, really a pond that can be messed with. I think it's some kind of like back storage or something for the reservoir. Some kind of retainer pond or something. It's natural, but it's not something that can be messed with, because it does have a purpose and a use for the town. Oh, it's so beautiful out here today. It's going for plus 30, but it's still incredible. Wow, look at this tree. See, if I gave this tree right here a push, that would just fall right over. See this big hollowed out tree? That's something, isn't it? Tilt my camera up a little bit more. There we go. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the Stick 'em Up trail. And I'll show you guys the Stairway to Heaven, the pond there. Cool little bike ramp they got there too. The good old pond. Someone's having a fire. I could smell it. It smells incredible. That's the Stairway to Heaven. Another really nice trail. And I think I'll probably do this trail today again. So I did it once in the spring, but why not do it again for the summer? Because it does look quite a bit different now. Alright guys, see you soon.